This is Chef Angela Michelle, and welcome to From the Catwalk to the Kitchen. Now, this show is all about food and fashion, so get ready for some great food and some awesome fashion tips, okay? Now, today's menu is actually inspired by my special guest's recent travels to Greece. That means we're having Greek appetizers. We have lamb meatballs, we have fried calamari, and we're also going to do mini spanakopita cups. All right, so welcome my special guest and my dear friend Felicia. Hi, how are you? Great to see you,
Great
girl.
to see
How are you?
Good. Thanks so much for having me.
You look
Thanks for having me.
fabulous.
Thank you.
As always.
You always look beautiful.
Oh, thank you, honey.
You're
Come on in.
welcome.
It's so great having you here today. I really
Thanks for
appreciate you
having me.
being here.
Thanks so much for having
So
me.
what's funny is Felicia used to be my makeup artist when I was a runway model. So I used to do runway. Oh my gosh, and fashion would seem like it was so many years ago,
yeah,
right?
Oh my God, tell me about it.
I did runway for 25 years, and let's see, I met you when I was 18, 19?
Oh
Somewhere
my.
around there. I know,
Oh wow.
right? That was just a couple years ago.
That's all.
I know,
Just
right?
a
Just
few
a couple
years.
years ago. That's it. That's it. So, you ready to start some cooking here?
Yeah, I'm
Let's
ready.
get some good things going?
Yeah.
Let's start with the meatballs.
Okay.
All right. So, how was your travels to Greece? What was that like?
It was amazing. I had so much fun.
Nice.
I love to take trips for my birthday. I always go out of the country for my
Yes.
birthday.
And we share the same birthday month.
Yes,
Yes.
we do. Yes. Jim and I, all the way.
Oh, no, it's Taurus, honey. We
I
just
know.
share May, that's all. All right, so Greece
Well, we
was
love
wonderful.
May. We
love May.
There's
Yes,
a lot of
we
things
do.
going on in May.
So, did you have meatballs here? Did you have lamb meatballs?
I did not. I had
Ooh.
a bunch of fresh seafood.
Oh, okay.
Yes, because
So
right
we're
on
doing
the,
fried calamari.
Yeah, I love
Okay.
calamari.
Oh, good,
I
good,
love
good, good.
calamari.
Okay,
Yeah.
all right, awesome.
It was so much fun. I had the best food. We had a ton of fresh seafood because it's right on the
Fresh seafood.
Mediterranean.
Yes, yes,
The
yes.
people are beautiful. They're amazing.
And nice olive skin.
Oh my God, everyone is just gorgeous.
Nice.
Yeah.
Very nice. So
Yeah.
you fit right in, darling.
Oh, well, thank you.
Okay, wait a minute. We have to stop because I want to ask you about these earrings.
Yeah.
These are absolutely fabulous.
Oh, thank you.
Gorgeous.
Thanks. I got these from Greece when I was in Greece vacationing. Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
Okay. So
yeah.
you're kind of dressed for the menu.
I put these on not even thinking about it. But
Really?
yeah, yes.
See,
yeah.
it just works out
I
sometimes,
know,
right?
isn't it? Yeah.